your warm leads, or the people that have you already met, or that people that you've maybe people have come to your webinars, or people that have come to your that you've did one-on-one booking, to actually put them into your news email database, right? Because I believe wholeheartedly that email marketing is not dead. Okay, email marketing is the number one thing that you should have in your business. Okay, email marketing, having an email list. So I didn't have a system of putting those people into my email list. And so what I did was, finally, after so many years, I was like, I went to my 40 pages of past one-on-one bookings. And I was surprised that, as you can see right here, 71 people. I've created this workflow. So basically, what I did was I took people that, and I physically inputted them into my Pro 360, and I created a tag. And when I create a tag, they go through this workflow, and as you can see, they are in this workflow, and ultimately are going to be added to my newsletter, right? So what I did here is I invited these people, and I'm using Instantly, right? I'm giving you a lot of these platforms. And the reason why I'm using Instantly instead of Pro 360 is because the Instantly works differently as an email marketing platform. Instantly, what it does is instantly connects with my Gmail and utilizes my Gmail and sends it out as if I'm sending it out as my through my email platform. Pro 360 uses Mailgun, and it's kind of like the email providers know when you're sending out through a mass email provider. So like when I send out through SendFox, the IP address knows that it's coming out through a email provider and not directly from a email like Gmail, like Google Workspace. And so the reason I use that is because the probability of hitting the inbox of the people that I'm trying to reach is probably 99%. It's going to hit the inbox, not the promotions, not the spam. So whereas if I send it from Pro 360 or from SendFox, the high probability of them, the email going into um, their promotions tab, and there's high likelihood they're not going to see it immediately. Okay. And so when I sent out an email to these people, I just basically sent them an email saying, let's take a look here. Here's a sequence of emails. So basically I said, hey, hope you're doing well. I can't believe how time flies. We last spoke. So I put in a variable. So that way it kind of customizes the message that mimics, like, it's not a blanket email. It's not a template email. It's basically, I took the time and I said, hey, we last spoke in 2020, 2021. If you're watching this and you've, actually got that email, this is what I was doing, right? Have a few minutes to catch up this week or next. We'd love to check in and see how you are doing and share exciting things we're working on if you're open to that, right? So out of that, I was able to get 5 replies out of that. So that's 10% replies, right? And mind you, these are people, I sent out 51 because even though there's 71 in here. Now I didn't add everyone in here because some of these people I've met recently, and so I don't want to send them again. So it's kind of odd, right? So what I'm trying to say is that these are people that are opted in. So anybody that has unsubscribed from my newsletter, I took them out of the list because I don't want to send it to them because they're not my avatar, because they've unsubscribed from my newsletter. That's a general statement. That may or may not be true, but I don't want to email them if they have unsubscribed from my newsletter.